All right, we just received this, and it is a USB gravity electric salt and Peppermills. Let's open it up and see what we got. All right, so they do come nicely packaged. Let's go ahead and get them out of their package here. This is interesting. You might want to save those. And yeah, take a look at that. Wow, these are nice. These are really nice. Look at this. I think this unscrews, and you put your peppercorns in there. These might be very handy. And they're steel, they're nice. So let's see what else it comes with. I think this is a cord. And yeah, and you can see this is the old style USB. So here it is. This also comes with it, and you know, you'd plug it in right there. I don't know if we have a charging dock in here or not. Nope. Oh, look, there's two cords because there's two things. So apparently you figure you gotta charge it. Yeah. Yep. Okay, so we got a cord for each, and they give us a spoon. Take a look. Handy dandy cutter for opening stuff up. And look, you can clean it and you can scoop it. So that's kind of cool. Let's see if it's got a charge. Oh, look at that. So you've got on, off. Wow, that's pretty cool. This one too, I think works. Let's see. This one's a little bit different. Look, it's got like a side kind of thing. So there's two different, look, you got two different designs on this. But I think they do the same thing, right? One probably does salt, one does pepper. Salt, pepper. And this is the cool thing, look. Oh, when you turn them upside down, it stops. Do you see that? So you can go, so if you want to shake it up a little bit, and you can see the red light there. Even when I turn it upside down, it's still lit. Now watch. And then you have to press those to turn it off. I like them. I think they're cool. I'm going to give it a strong recommendation. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos where I fill these with peppercorns and grind them. Peace out.